race 30. Andrew Findley, Call, Idaho.
First time on the pole, first chance of being first on the podium. Big day for Andrew Findley. Right behind him is the 6-time reigning champion, Jeff Lavelle, a 25-year-old design he built 20 years ago with one thing in mind, and that was to go fast. And boy, does he. He's been going over 400 miles an hour for the last several years.
White flag, white flag.
The leaders heading into their final lap, but look at this right here, Andrew Findley, and we've seen this before in an earlier race, a little bit of smoke. He's pulling up, he may be out, Steve.
Yeah, his engine has obviously given up the ghost on this one, so now he's going to transfer airspeed to altitude, get up high, have his choice of runways here at Reno State Airport.